Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 32 of our playlist JavaScript functions. Okay, so in this JavaScript function, we are learning 0 to advanced, everything about the function. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about first class function. So what is the meaning of first class function? JavaScript treat function as first class citizen, meaning they can be stored in variable, passed as an arguments or returned from other function. So what's the meaning of this? Okay, let's understand through this example. Okay, so as you already know, I have two files. One is index.html and app.js. Inside the index.html, I linked the external JavaScript file, which is app.js, right? And here is my app.js file. Let me test this file. Working. So yes, it is working. So what is the mean of like first class function? Okay, so for example, I'm creating a function. Function name is okay. Like function name is like message. Okay, function name is message. Okay, so I'm okay writing message. Okay, and I'm creating another function. The function name is WhatsApp. Okay, uh, WhatsApp. Okay, inside the WhatsApp, what I'm doing? Okay, so suppose inside the WhatsApp there is no function. So can I call WhatsApp function? Can I call WhatsApp function? Yes, I can call WhatsApp function like this. No problem at all. But can I pass this message function inside the WhatsApp function? Can I pass the message function inside the WhatsApp function? Yes, I can pass. So I can write here message. So message is not the variable name, it is the function name. But our WhatsApp function is not receiving any message. So can I write here one parameter like MSG? So MSG will receive this message function. Okay, message is a function. You can see from line number 1 to line number 3, this is what message function. And from line number 5 to line number 6, so line number 5 to line number 7, this is WhatsApp function, which containing one message, right? Okay. Okay. So message is what? Message is my MSG is what? My this function. So can I call this function inside this? Inside what's the function? Yes, I can call. So how you will call? I will write here MSG and calling like that. Calling message function through MSG. Okay, so what I'm doing actually, I am calling which function? I am calling message function. Here is the message function. Through which function? Through MSG. Okay. And when we are calling WhatsApp, it requires one parameter. And we are passing one parameter. But what type of parameter it is? This is function type. This is not number type. This is function type. And we are here, we are passing, we are passing message. We are passing message as argument. Okay. We are passing messages argument to WhatsApp like this. Okay, so what will be the output? Output will be message writing message. Okay, so writing message is coming. So what's the learning from this code? What we did, we created two functions. One function is message, second function is WhatsApp. So we are calling WhatsApp function, and from the WhatsApp function we are calling message function, and we are passing message function as an argument to the WhatsApp function. Hope you are understanding what we are doing actually. So this is known as like JavaScript treat functions as the first class citizens, meaning they can be stored in variable. We can store function in a variable passed as an argument. Okay, we can pass as an argument and we can return a function as well. If you want to return this function, you can return simply. You can return this function, but where it will return? From where it is calling. So this function can be written by let a. Okay, so we will not call this function. If we are returning this function, we will not call. We are just returning. And through a, we can call. Okay, like this. If we will call this function immediately, then error will come. So when you are returning the function, just write the function name and you will call, because a is storing which MSG function. It is little confusing. Okay. If you want to see again, just see again. Function, I created two function. Okay, function one. Let me write first the same thing, message. Okay, and the second function name is Second function name is WhatsApp. Okay. And we are calling this function WhatsApp function. We are calling WhatsApp function. WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Like this. Can we call WhatsApp function? Yes, we can call. So I want like WhatsApp function should receive one message, MSG. And if it is receiving WhatsApp function, it's receiving one function, one message, but we are not passing any message. So I can pass message like this, hello or something. So I can pass this message. So now this MSG receiving a string type of message. But instead of passing this hello world message, I want to pass this message function. So how I will pass? I will write MSG message. Okay. So this message function will collect by the MSG. Okay, so if MSG is a function, so can I call MSG? Yes, sure, you can call MSG. So what it will print? Nothing, because there is nothing to print. So can I write here console.log, console.log? Okay, this is WhatsApp message like this. Okay, can I create? Can I do something like this? So it will print. Okay, suppose if I am not calling, then what will happen? Nothing will print. Nothing will print. If I will call, then only it will print. Suppose if I'm writing here return MSG, so what will happen? Nothing will happen. So where it will be written, from where it is calling, from line number 9, WhatsApp is calling. So it will return MSG function here. So I will receive this function by writing fun. Okay. So inside the fun function, this message function will come. So what will happen now? Nothing. So we are not calling the message function. So we will call this message function through fun because it is returning here. So I will call like this. So it is printing. Hope you are understanding. Once you practice, you will understand the logic of this like first order function. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and practice, keep practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.